Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the operation failed due to a device error encountered with either the source or destination. The request could not be performed because of an I/O device error code 0x80780012D. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'd recommend doing would be to open up the start menu, type in services. Best result should come back with services listed right above app, so go ahead and left click on that. Locate the volume shadow copy service, and double click on it. You want to set startup type to manual if it's not, and then select start for service status, and then select apply and OK to save the change. And once you've done that, try and go and recreate the backup. Perhaps consider setting it as a different destination location, or make sure that it is an existing location that you are setting the backup to be saved to. So that's something you might also want to check out as well. And you may also want to consider booting your computer into a clean boot state, so meaning going into msconfig, go into the services tab and then hide all Microsoft services and disable all the other non-essential services. Restart the computer and then attempt to create the backup again, and then you could obviously re-enable all those services once you've done that. But pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.